Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And hopefully, you all benefited from my analysis too. And if you benefited, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Then I can reach to all of your friends. And if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, they can also join my course. They can also learn from me. And if any query from your side, please write down in comment box. Then I give the answer from your query for your of your query. And thanking you to all of you. Today I am going to analyze on a stock which breakout from almost 10 years range from 2010 to 2020, and this stock name is State Bank of India, India's number one bank. You can say a government bank, State Bank of India. You will see almost is the trend line. It's always take this support from this trend line, and it's a very strong trend line, you can say. It's always break out, take the support and come back from that trend line. This the trend line, and from this taking support, and it's now break all the multi-year resistance levels in the State Bank, and you all see, and 300 to 350 levels is the State Bank multi-year resistance levels from 2010 to 2020. It's almost playing in a range from 300 to 150 levels, and now it's break from the 350 levels. And now 3 weeks is sustained above that levels, and it's break almost a good volume, and it's a very good sign for this moment at this moment for the State Bank. Technically, I'm not showing all this here, but this breakout is showing is a very good almost for the upcoming months. Is give the positiveness and bullishness in this stock. Closing basis 365 below will be the stop loss. If any time 365 below it comes, then and staying below that levels and straight below that level, then we have to close stop close below that levels. Then we will quit it from this State Bank of India. But if hold above that 365 levels, then we go for a long, and go for long for a maximum period of time. In my view, it gives maximum return from these levels if 365 levels is held from the State Bank of India. And next target will be 450, 500 and 550 levels. 450, 500 and 550 levels is the next target in short and long term, and maybe it more come to in the coming month. 10 years breakout is a very meaningful, and if sustain above that levels, it will be more meaningful in coming months we can get. So more bullishness may come from this, and we get more, we make more huge money from the State Bank of India. I'm making this video for educational purpose. If anyone wants to trade on my video, please analyze with the chart, and or you can take advice from your financial advisor. This is the weekly chart of this State Bank of India. This is the daily chart of this. The State Bank of India. So all types of chart is showing the breakout, and if breakout sustains, I told that it will be give huge money from the state. You will get from the huge money from the State Bank of India. Other technical parameter also showing this strength in the State Bank of India. That is why I share this chart with you. If anyone wants to learn from the technical analysis, they can join my course. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you benefit from my analysis too. And thanking you. And this chart I am showing for the short term period and for the longer period of time for the best return. Thanking you.